Dennis and Denise.
All right.
Mark and Bruce, thank you.
Well, ranging from a foot to even 2 feet in some places around the state, there is going to be a lot of snow to clean up tonight and tomorrow.
And if you do end up cleaning up the snow yourself, be aware of the health concerns when it comes to shoveling. Heavy snow can put a real strain on your heart and your back.
Joining us now on the phone is Vice President of Medical Affairs at Backus Hospital in Norwich, Dr. Robert Sidman. Did I pronounce your name correctly, Doctor?
Yes, you did.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your afternoon with us tonight. We want to talk about specifically shoveling snow. What risk does that place? How strenuous is that activity on the heart?
Yeah, no, great question. You touched upon it a little bit. That snow is wet and it's going to be very heavy. For those who are fit and not having a problem, it should be just a little extra work, and be careful with your back. But for those who are a little bit older, we do see folks come in after shoveling a little too much and have chest pain and suffer myocardial infarction. So I would be cautious, especially with the wet snow. And as I don't know if it was Dennis, but someone mentioned that the driveway is slippery. We see an awful lot of folks who fall and sustain wrist fractures when they're out there trying to clean the driveways and the walkways.
You know, Dr. Sidman, a few years back we did a live experiment, Denise will remember this, where I was hooked up to a heart monitor while I shoveled snow outside the hospital, and it's amazing just how much the heart rate does soar as you're doing this type of activity.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's heavy work. I do it myself, and fortunately have not had a problem with it. But yeah, folks who have any kind of cardiac history really have to be careful.
Dr. Sidman, how do you know, let's say someone's sitting at home watching this right now and anxious to get to that snow. How do you know, maybe I better not do this? How do you know when to say no?
Well, I guess it's really just knowing your body. It's cold out there, so I think folks start to get warm when they're shoveling. They don't realize how hard maybe they're working, but it's a tricky thing. But if you are experiencing shortness of breath, that is a good reason to sit down and rest. Sometimes that is the only sign of myocardial ischemia.
Good to know. Okay, so when in doubt, maybe rule it out, and hopefully a neighbor kid will come by and do the job for you. Thank you so much,
the
Dr.
other caution I would just throw out there is that snow blowers tend to clog when you have the wet snow.
Yes.
And please be careful out there as far as don't put any parts of your body in the near the auger when you're cleaning it out. We say it every year, and we have people who don't heed that advice. So be careful.
Absolutely. All right, Dr. Sidman, Robert Sidman from Backus Hospital. Thank you so much.
Sure, my pleasure.